teaching you the trick known as the 4 robbers and the FBI agents. That's the name I gave it, but I did not create this trick. This trick has been around for a little bit, but you'll see what I mean. So the jokers are the FBI agents, and the jacks are obviously the robbers. So what we'd start off the trick by doing is we'd shuffle the bank, air quotes. The cards are the banks, the jokers are the FBI agents, and the jacks are the robbers. So you can see these cards aren't marked, and there's no one face up or anything in the deck. That's pretty explanatory. But what we'd start off the trick by doing is I'd take Jack number 1, Jack of Spades, which is the leader, Jack of Diamonds, Jack of Clubs, and Jack of Hearts. The Jack of Hearts would be left face up on the table. The first Jack would go to the first floor of the bank. The second Jack would go to the third floor of the bank. And the third Jack would go to the third floor of the bank, obviously. Now, the fourth Jack would go about almost to the top, like right about to get to the top. And you can see those cards are going into the center of the pack, and I push them in. No face-up cards or anything, like I said. This is a completely fair trick. You can do this live for anybody. The FBI agents actually set up a trap, though. That's the weird part. They set up a fake bank right beside the bank, but the robbers didn't know that. So what they were easily able to do is they were able to take every single jack from every single floor and like that and catch all 4 jacks. If you want to learn how to do this, stick around for the tutorial. If you don't, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Share it with your friends and family. Okay, so how this trick works, very simple. No duplicate cards, just some good old-fashioned sleight of hand. What we'll do is you would take 3 cards and you get a break. These cards really don't matter, but as you're showing, just say, look, all these cards are shuffled, there's no face-up cards, and just get a break with your pinky like this. I'm obviously exaggerating here, but just like a small break like this, doesn't matter. You take the jacks, you say the story that I was giving. If you want to learn the story, just go rewatch it and you can go with that story. You can go with a different story. Jack of Diamonds, and you'd be holding these random cards. Go here, Jack of Spades, flip it over, Jack of Clubs, and the last one has 4 cards here, including the Jack, and you just drop on top. Now you have the Jack, and you're set up with 3 random cards on top of the Jacks. Then you take the Jack number 1, story number 1, Jack number 2, story number 3, Jack number 3, story number 3, and the last one goes second from the top, which is in the Jacks, or third, it really doesn't matter. Push those cards in. Make sure not to flash that, but just push the cards in as fair as possible. Then you're going to show, look, there's no face-up cards, so there's no way I could do anything fishy. And then you take the jokers, you get a pinky break under the 4 jacks, like that as you're spreading the cards. You take the jokers, you place them on top, and you would pick up all of those cards, strip off the joker like this. Now you'd be holding 6 cards like that. Don't show the bottom, but say it's a fake bank, and then you just shake and move your thumb out, and that's how you get the jacks out of the bank. There is another trick that is very cool, that is very advanced, so I'm not going to be teaching that today, but I might show you all later.